Yep, 2002 Dodge Durango, driver's side front tire area. Brake pads are fat, but after sitting it does have some rust buildup on the rotors. Driver's side rear tire, rear drum brakes. Tires look decent. Looking in the inspection hole. Maybe I'll take the rear tires off. Brakes look good in the back. Rear shocks look good. Spare tire. Low on air. The rear shocks look good. Rear differential fluid is good. Tire's decent on the back as well. Got some issues with this tire. Steel belts showing out somewhere. Here we go. So I'd probably get a couple new front tires. Front shock is leaking. Don't see much in the way of leaks. CV axles look good. One thing is, looks like maybe the transmission is leaking some fluid. Let's go down here one more time. Probably just a little slight seeping causing the stainage. So this is the underneath, the 2002 Dodge Durango, and we'll go somewhere else. Wheel cylinders, I peeled back the rubber, they're not leaking, so rear brake shoes look good on both sides. Probably 70-80% left. Expired tags. Same with this side. Looks good overall. Alright, seems to starting to run decent. Power steering fluid's decent. Coolant's decent. Well, the power steering should be flushed out probably. Brake fluid has brake fluid. Oil's full. I am adding transmission fluid to it because it was low. Sure, due to the leak. The battery's maybe 20. I think Jerry just put one in. Maybe at COVID or just before. Certainly signs of mouse activity. Maybe some new wiper blades. This is probably the worst of the body damage that I can tell is paint issues. Walk around. The gasket issue. There's muck on the top, I'm sure. With a good vacuuming There's a smell of mouse probably in here, but I have the traps in here for weeks with no issues. Probably some mold. Another mouse trap. Still nothing. Piece of gasket, I'm not sure it actually goes to this vehicle though. Maybe there's some mice in here somewhere, but maybe not anymore. That needs to be cleaned out a little bit. That is the overview on the Dodge Durango 2002 Dodge Durango. So yes, nothing on the instrument cluster works. You can get them on eBay. It's a very common problem for these instrument clusters to go out. So I think it was 150 or 200 bucks, so I'm pretty sure under 300 bucks you can probably get this one rebuilt or fixed, so the odometer will be accurate if it matters. Max AC makes it smell really nice in there. The compressor is not coming on. So AC is not working for some reason. All right. Little noise from the blower motor. Maybe some leaves or debris in there. All right. Still running it for filling the transmission. Took 2 quarts so far. There did seem to be a little bit of delay in either reverse or drive to engage right away, so this should hopefully take care of it. All right, I think we're done now.